Here we are at the Elk Camp Gondola in the Elk Camp learning area. We got a restaurant here. We've got all of the beginner areas. Roller coaster, tubing hill, incredible views. You take that gondola from the base area, so you get a gondola ride. And we're here in April, and we're watching these little ones learn how to snowboard. Look at this family doing it on their own, enjoying it. The little one, yay! How much fun is that? This is the place to be. It's in April. The conditions are great. And you're sitting here in the warm weather. Kids are having a blast. There goes another skier that way. We got a restaurant to relax. What a wonderful area. Give me a call. We'll get you to Snowmass. Take you to Elk Camp. Run up to the Elk Camp Gondola up to the top. Give me a call, 970-485-4091. Have a great day.